What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing some bushings on the Datsun. The rear subframe bushings are completely blown out, so we have to drop the whole entire subframe, which involves dropping the coilovers, the brake lines, the fuel lines. It's kind of a big project, but we're just going to tear right into it.
High performance. I can get the box open with one hand here. Let's see what we're working with. You know what? Woo!
There they are.
Right off the box. Oops, this one's running away. These are the parts in question here.
So this is the mustache bar, is what they call it. These bushings are completely blown out. So we have to remove the coilovers, the front of the subframe, the drive shaft, the exhaust has to come off, and the brake lines, all sorts of stuff. And you should be able to just pull this on in. Change of plans. I think I can just take this bar off without taking anything off. On each side. This one's a 17 mil, and then the two diff bolts are 19 mils.
Not doing anything. Ah! Holy moly.
Okay. That's what's
Sick. See ya. There she is. Yeah. Go on, bro. See that. Oh man. Wee wee. I know what to do.
What?
Torch.
Much later.
Dare you to touch it.
I dare you to touch it. Not bad?
Pretty good. We started by drilling out the bushing, and then we put it on the vise, and then drilled it out. And now there's a nice big black pile on the floor. And then we're gonna do that to the other side. Oh! Look at that!
Alright, well, I got the bushings all done and everything, and then I realized that my diff bushing is also blown out. So I'm going ahead and dropping the whole subframe just so I can access everything. This is where we're at. Just gotta remove the drive shaft bolts and then pull this whole thing out. Just gonna leave the bolt on, and I just pulled it out of the yoke. The car isn't angled downwards, so the transmission shouldn't leak at all.
Amazing.
full refresh time.
Oh, yeah.
Again.
Bye-bye. Hello.
All right, we're finally back working on the Datsun. I got the diff brace from Z-Card Depot. So I'm gonna be throwing this on and then we can throw everything back in. I believe this guy just sits kind of right under here. So I'm gonna take everything apart, put this in, and I'll show you guys when I'm finished. So with the diff brace, I'll have basically every bushing in the rear end done. I also do have new sway bar end links. I got sent one, so obviously I need two. But other than that, we got coilovers, we got the rear load control arms, we got the new mustache bar bushings, and now we have the new diff brace, or the diff bushing. So I will show you guys when I am finished up. We got it all in there. I cleaned up this plate as best as I could. It's not very clean, but it's cleaner than it was. So now that we got everything back in, I'll probably wait till I get the other end link to do the end links, but I'm gonna throw it back in now, and hopefully it goes in smoothly. Back in finally, the new bushings are in, the exhaust is back on, and the front diff is back on. You got it?
I know I do.
Can't find the what?
It does.
3,000 years later.
They're hard to see. Look, illusions. I don't know what it is. So chilly.
Once it gets warm out, we will take it out and see how it rips. Sometime in the next 2 weeks, I can get this thing out and test everything with the new bushing. Raise the car up a little bit. I'll probably raise it back down, like go like half an inch back down. Match the front as best as possible, because I think that's pretty good. And I might switch it over to like a meaty tire setup. All right, so we are all finished up with the bushings for the Datsun. We did the diff bushings and subframe bushings. Obviously, as you can see, it is quite snowy outside. Unfortunately, I will not be able to test drive it, which sucks, because I really like to drive it and see how it feels, because before it was getting pretty bad with the subframe bushings not being there, so. But that will wrap up this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.